Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet a tulip border. It's a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1. For my sample, I have 34 stitches on this row. For the first part of this border, you'll begin with the chain 3. This serves as a double crochet stitch. Then chain 2. Skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2. Skip 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Continue doing this pattern of chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch across the row. And here is what it looks like. For the corners, I like to chain 2 and place another double crochet in the same spot as the previous one. This way we'll have a little tulip on each corner. And then continue on down the sides and around the entire blanket with the pattern. Once completed, you'll see the pattern around the blanket. At the very end, I like to chain 2, then slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the original starting chain for this section. For part 2 of the border, begin with the chain 3. Then slip stitch in the next double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. In this little ring, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then turn to the front. And in this front section, make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then reach over to the base of the first stitch and slip stitch. And there's your first tulip border. I'll show this again. Start with the chain 3. Then slip stitch over to the other double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Working on this back section, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And then turn to the front side again. Find that double crochet from the previous part, and using it as a base, make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Reach over and slip stitch to the original double crochet. Continue making these tulip stitches around the entire blanket just like this. When you get to the corner, just treat it the same way as the other tulip stitches. Do the chain 3, slip stitch, turn and make the stitches. And that's how I make the tulip crochet border.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.